Namaste, children. Children, we have discussed about the uh, playing with numbers 21 to 50. In previous class, uh, learn about the number names up to 21 to 50 spellings with numerals, and then so we have another one concept, missing numbers we should learn, then number names, then the jumbled words in previous classes we have learned in the exercises part, and then I have given the homework. I will give the homework in the page number 54 and 55. You have already done. Some students are sending the photos, some students are not sending. All of you send that photos what you what you do in the work. Students, now today we have already entered the two digit numbers. It starts from 10. Two digit number starts from 10 up to 99 numbers. We have already know that. So already we have learned 50. Is it right? So now, before, between, and after. Before, after. Between means, before means ಮುಂಚಿಂದು. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮುಂಚಿದ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರು, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, so we have know the numbers 21 to 50. So already I have told 2 to 3 times you have to write in the CW. So practice in the 50 numbers, we have easily find out the numbers. Okay, so now look at the board. What comes before, what comes after, what comes between? Okay, so we have find out the numbers in the using the numbers, given numbers. Now look at the board. So before, so first we have to find it 40 before number, 40 before number, before number. Keep in that mind, one has to be less or one less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. So before number 40 ಗಿಂತ before ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರು 39. Before number is 39. You have to write all the numbers 1 to 50, so we can find out the number 41 to. So which one is small, which one is before number 40 before number, that is 39. Next, 31 before number, 31 before number 30. Next, 26 before number 25. 25. Next, 21 after 21, 22. Next, 32 before number 33. Next, 42 after number 44. 42 after number 43. 43. Next, so here between number, so two numbers are there. So given, so we have to write all the numbers 1 to 50. We have which one we have to find out the 21 after 21, 20 after that 21, then 22. So before number here 20 already given, 21, 22. So which is the before number, between number? This is the before number. We should write in the place of 21. Next, 20. So 40 after that, same that 20, 21, 22. Same that number 40. Next number is 41. Next, 27 after that. After the 27, 28. This is the between number of 27 and 28, 27 and 29. Okay, this is the, we can find out. So Guruji, how to write the numbers? So we have to write all the numbers 21 to 1 to 50 numbers. We can find out the which number is the numeral. You have already all know that numerals. We can find out the which number is between number, which number is after number, which number is before number. So we can easily find out the numbers. Write the numerals all, so we can take the find out the answers. Okay, so now I will go for comparison of two digit numbers. So we have already learned the two digit numbers up to 50. So we can comparison of which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Okay, shall we go for comparison of two digit numbers? So namaste students. Now comparison of two digit numbers. Comparison of two digit numbers. Compare, how to compare that? So compare means smallest number and the biggest number. That is a keep in the mind. Compare means smallest and biggest number. We can find out that. So how to compare the two digit number? In the previous time, so we have one digit numbers comparison. So Guruji 9 and 8 smallest one digit numbers are there, but here two digit numbers. How to compare? Okay, so look at the board. Questions has to be here 20 and 40, which is the bigger? So how to give the symbol? So using the symbol, greater than symbol, smaller than symbol, are equal. Are equal. These are the symbols. These symbols we have to using the comparison of number. Guruji, when the bigger number is that side, you have to open the bracket or open the symbol. Open the symbol. Which side is small? Which side is greater? That side we have to show the open the symbol. Open the symbol. That is keep in the mind. When which one is how to found which one is bigger, which one is smaller? Okay, here 20 and 40. So how to compare? Now see the first digit of the given numbers. See the first digit, both the numbers first. Okay, compare the 4. Here 2, here 4. Which one is greater? Greater is 4, 2 is smaller. Look at that. Here 20, here 40. You know the numbers, numerals. Here 20 and 40. Compare these numbers, these two numbers. Guruji, 2 and 4 here. Which one is greater? Greater is 4. 2 is smaller. So now 20 is smaller, 40 is bigger. So we should using the symbol. This is the symbol. This is the symbol. Come first see the first digit of the both the digits. First digit of the both the numbers. Then we have easily find out the numbers. Now here 31 and 40. Which one is greater? Compare the first. See the first digit, both the number. First digit 3, here 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Which one is greater? 4 is the greater, 3 is the smaller. So now we should using the open the bracket, open the symbol. So this is the 40 is greater, 31 is smaller. Okay. Now here 14 and 19. Both the values are same. Here 1, here 1. Guruji, what we do? Compare the two second digit number 4 and 9. So here 1 and 1 equal. Guruji, here 1 same. What we do? Go for the second place. Go for the second digit. What is the second digit? 4 and 9. Here 4 and 9. Which one is greater? 4 and 9. Which one is greater? 4 is a smaller. 9 is a greater. 9 is a greater. Sometimes will be the same values of the first digit. Sometimes will be given. Some not given. So we can using the one digit. First digit will be same. So we can go for the second digit 9. Which one is greater? 9 is the greater. Smaller is 14. 9 is a smaller. Okay. So now we have to using. Wait for. Okay. So now check that 25, 50 and 25. Which one is greater? So check the first digit of the both the numbers. First digit is 5, here 2. Here 5, here 2. Which one is greater? 5 is the greater, 2 is the smaller. 2 is the smaller. Now, so we can write it. So 2 is the smaller. 2 is the smaller. 50. Okay. So we can using that place. No, 13 and 31. 13 and 31. So compare the first digit of the both the values. So first is compare. Compare 1 and 3 is there. Which one is greater? 1 is smaller, 3 is greater. 3 is greater. Next 4 and 14. 4 and 14. Which one is greater? So here 4, here 1. Guruji, we can how to find first digit is what is 4? Is there 4? So we should write in the place of first place is 0. Because we put it, so it is the second place of the number 4. Okay. So in the first place is 14. Though it is a 2 digit number, it is 1 digit number. Sorry. So we should write not for the 0. So it is 1 digit number, it is 2 digit number. Which one is greater? So greater is 2 digit number 14. Greater is 2 digit number. Now compare easily. So comparison of numbers, first digit of the both the numbers, compare. If you, which one is greater, which one is smaller. Sometimes first digit of the number, both the numbers are same, go for the second digit. Go for the second digit. So keep this mind. So Guruji, how to 4 and 14 it is confused. So no problem. It is one digit number. It is two digit number. One digit number is always smaller. So two digit numbers are compared to the one digit, it is greater. So I'm using 4 is smaller, 14 is greater. Is it clear? Okay. Now I will go for ascending order and descending order. So ordering of numbers, ascending order means smallest to biggest. So descending order means greatest numbers to biggest smaller number. So we can using that ordering of numbers. Just one or two examples I will show. Remaining you have to done in the textbook problems. So joining the dots and color and to find out who is smiling. Who is smiling is there. So you should do in the homework. So just one or two examples I will show that ordering of numbers. So remaining you have to done in the textbook. So students, I will go for ordering of numbers. Okay students, now ordering of numbers. Uh, in the first chapter, so in the previous two chapters before, ordering of numbers I have already introduced. So what is the ordering of numbers? They have two types of ordering. First one is ascending order, second one is descending order. Ascending order means we have already know that first we can take to smallest number, ascending order up to taken the bigger numbers. So ascending order smallest to biggest. Okay, then descending order biggest to smallest. So okay, then using that concepts we can easily find out the numbers. So which one is smaller, which one. So first we can take the first observe all the numbers. First observe all the numbers, then we can we can make the smallest number and we can make the ascending and descending order. Okay, so here ascending order smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest, small to big, small to big. So smallest, which number is smallest here? 3, 20, 15, 7. Which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. So it is already over. Now it is cancelled. So remaining 4 numbers. So which one is smaller here? 20, 15, 7. Now which one is smaller? 7. Now these two numbers has to be closed. So this is already over. Next one, which one? 2, 20 and 15. Which one is smaller? 15. Next finally 20. So one by one, we have to finish and then go for the write the ascending order and descending order. Now, next 13, 25, 32, 10, two digit numbers. So compare the one digit numbers first. One digit here, one digit, one double. So both the values are same. So here 10, here 0. So here 0, here 3. Which one is greater? 3 is the greater. Smaller is 10. So we can small to big first we should write it. First smallest number 10. So this is the smallest number 10. It is over. The remaining three numbers 13, 25, 32. So which one is smaller? Here 1, here 2, here 3. 3 1 is the smaller. We can do 13. Next remaining two numbers are there 25 and 32. Which one is smaller? 2. 33, 32 is bigger. Now 25, then 32, then 32. So using that, it is simple text, so we can cancel it. So it is not considered. So one time we should write. So don't take the another number again at that number. So okay, we can close it. So we can easily choose the number. Okay, now it is ascending order. So small to big. Now I will go for descending order. So how to find out the descending order? So descending order means big to small. Big to small. First bigger number we can take it. First bigger number. Here 40, 26, 47, 50. Which one is greater? Compare the two digit number. Here 4, here 2, here 4, here 5. First digit of both all the numbers. Okay. 5 is the greater. Yes, we should write a 5. 50. So it is will be over. Now remaining three numbers. Which one is greater? 40, 26, 47. So values are same. Both the values are same. Now So compared to the second digit, here 0, here 7. Which one is greater? 7 is the greater. So now it is 47 is greater. 47. Now it has to be closed. Remaining two numbers, 26 and 40. Which one is greater? 40. Because first digit is 4. Here first digit is 2. Okay. First digit 4 is greater. Okay. 40. Next, this is also cancelled. So remaining last number is 26. We should write it. This is the way of finding the big to small. Now, 42, 24, 44, 22. Which one is greater? So in that places, Guruji, here 4, both the values are same. What we do? Go for the second places, here 2 and here 4. Which one is greater? 4 is the greater. 44 is the greater. So it is already cancelled. So now we should write one time. We should write it. One time it is cancelled. So we should write it. Now remaining 1, 2, 3. Which one is greater? So close the number. This number 44. Remaining two numbers. So here 4 and 2. So both the values are same. Now 4 and 2 compare. Which one is greater? 4 is the greater. First digit. 42. That number is 42. Next, this is cancel. Remaining two numbers. 2, 2. Both the values are same. Values are same. Compared to the second place, second number. Here 2, here 4. Which one is greater? 4 is the greater. 24. Finally, 22. Okay. So now this is the writing the ordering of numbers. Any doubts you can ask me, come to the school and then ask me. So I know it is not clear for all of you. So it is okay. So come to the school. So any corrections are there, any doubts are there, come to school and then one period we can take it. I will complete the complete your doubts. Okay, no problem. Okay. So page number 56 and 57. So here join the dots. Join the dots. You know the numbers 1 to 50. So join the all the dots one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to dots has to be completed, and then it will be one complete picture and color it and color it. So it is very beautiful. So we can make it fast, all of you. Today's your homework 56 and 57. Okay, complete your work. I hope all of you watch the video, and then students watch the video and improve your knowledge. Dhanyavad.